Good morning students. Today we will discuss chemical reactions of alcohol and phenols. So first we start to understand the property of alcohols. Students, if we write alcohol like in this way, ROH. In this alcohol have two bonds. One bond is with oxygen and hydrogen, other one bond oxygen and carbon, means alkyl group. So alcohol show two type property. When this bond dissociate, oxygen hydrogen bond dissociate, that time they act as a nucleophile. And when carbon oxygen bond dissociate, then that time they act as a electrophile. It means alcohol can act as a nucleophile as well as electrophile. So at first we explain how they behave, alcohol behave as nucleophile and electrophile. Alcohol act as nucleophile. Means any alcohol react on a carbocation that is electron deficient. So how can it attack? Because students, we know alcohol has two lone pair of electron. So those can attack on this carbocation and it's form like this type compound. Oxygen get positive charge and after that it's deprotonation and we get the product like this, means ether. When oxygen hydrogen bond dissociate, that time alcohol act as a nucleophile. So this one is an example and other examples also. When alcohol react with any metals, that time also they behave as a nucleophile. In esterification reactions also. In other reaction, when alcohol act as electrophile. Electrophiles means protonated alcohol, means when any alcohol have proton, so that act as a electrophile. If we take an example, in this alcohol, in presence of proton, in presence of acid, it's behave like this. Oxygen bears positive charge, then this oxygen attract electron from this carbon oxygen bond. So this carbon get positively charged. Another nucleophile like bromide or any other halogen ion can attack on this carbon and water molecule dissociate and we get such type product, means alkyl halide and water is released out. So it means when protonated alcohol, carbon oxygen bond is dissociate. When carbon bond dissociate, then the alcohol act as electrophile. When oxygen hydrogen bond dissociate, then this act as a nucleophile. This question comes in CBSE exam in 2019. Explain why alcohol act as a nucleophile as well as electrophile. So we can explain by this way. Now we explain detail when alcohol react, when the bond dissociate oxygen hydrogen and carbon-oxygen bond dissociate. Now students, we will explain reaction involving cleavage of oxygen-hydrogen bond. Means when oxygen and hydrogen bond dissociate, that reaction, first reaction is to explain acidity. Means alcohols are acidic. Why? How can we explain? When the alcohol react with sodium metal, sodium or aluminum metal, high reactive metal, then what happen? They release hydrogen gas. This oxygen hydrogen bond dissociate and we get sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas release out in this. So when we balance, then 2 mole. So in this alkoxide ion, this behave as alkoxide ion is a very strong base and its hydrogen gas release out. If we explain another one example, sodium, if we take a particular alcohol, ethanol, react with sodium metal, then we get sodium ethoxide, hydrogen gas release out. Balancing the reaction. This one example, when ethanol react with sodium metal, then the product is sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. If we take another example, tertiary butyl alcohol, when react with aluminum metal or sodium, then also it's release hydrogen gas because aluminum also displaced, and we get tertiary butyl oxide plus hydrogen gas. If we balance, then we need 3 mole. So 2 hydrogen, so we have to apply opposite direction. 6 and then 2 aluminum, 3 mole hydrogen gas. In this reaction, these 2 reactions show alcohol act as acid, because when metal, we know metal are, when react with any substance release hydrogen gas, that substance known as acid. When any metal react with any substance and release hydrogen gas, that known as acid. So when alcohol react with metal, they release hydrogen gas. So this reaction confirm alcohol are acidic. Phenols also behave in similar way. Means when aromatic alcohol, this react with sodium metal, we get hydrogen gas and the product is sodium phenoxide. Hydrogen gas release out. If we balance, then we write 2 sodium phenoxide. But what is the difference between alcohol and phenol? Alcohol do not react with sodium hydroxide because alcohol are very weak acid, but phenol react with sodium hydroxide also. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide, aqueous, and they form again sodium phenoxide plus water. this reaction difference alcohol and phenol. Phenols are stronger acid than alcohol. Why? Because alcohol no reaction with sodium hydroxide, no reaction. This indicates phenols are stronger acid than alcohols. And again, alcohol are different types: 1 degree primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So among primary, secondary, tertiary, which is more acidic? We will explain now. Primary alcohol means when OH attaches, that carbon attaches at least one carbon, that is primary alcohol. Secondary means OH attached, that carbon further attached to carbon, that is secondary. And tertiary means when OH attaches, that next carbon attaches 3 other carbons. So OH directly attached with that carbon attached further 3 carbon. So students, in this, when we observe, then we can find, we want to remove OH bond. This bond we want to release out. So easier this OH bond dissociate, that is more acidic. So if we observe, why this OH bond dissociate? Due to polarity, because shared electron move towards oxygen side, so it bears negative charge and hydrogen bears positive charge. But this negative charge is further. Why? Because this is two group, they are, we know electron releasing group means plus I effect. Due to inductive effect, they are released, so the electron shift towards oxygen side and oxygen already negative, so that face repulsion. Means this negative charge do not attract towards this side. And in primary alcohol what happen? Only 1 plus I effect, there is 1 plus I. And in secondary alcohol 2 plus I, tertiary alcohol 3 plus I effect, 3 donating group, 3 releasing group. So electron density move towards oxygen. So this oxygen bond is not such dissociate. So in this way, if we compare, primary alcohol has less repulsion, less steric, less inductive effect. So 1 degree alcohol is more acidic than secondary than tertiary. It means primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary and tertiary. Reason is because in primary only 1 plus I effect, secondary 2 plus, 2 repulsion, there are 3 repulsion. So this oxygen hydrogen bond is not such dissociate. So in this way we can say primary alcohol are more acidic than secondary or tertiary. Even though water is more acidic, if we compare water and alcohol, then what happen? In water there is no plus I effect, no inductive effect. So this shared electron move towards oxygen side and hydrogen bears positive, and there is no plus I effect. So when we compare, then water is more acidic than alcohol. Means alcohols are very weak acid. Comparison, when we compare, then water, if we compare among these 1D, 2 and 3, then primary is more acidic, then secondary, then tertiary. So due to this reason, we can't identify the acidic character by litmus paper. By litmus paper, we can't check the alcohol is acidic nature. Because by litmus paper we know when blue litmus dipped in any substance and changed into red litmus, this indicates the substance is acid. We earlier check in 10th class this, what is acid? Those substance change, blue litmus change into red litmus, but alcohol do not change any litmus paper. Water also not change the litmus paper, so alcohol we can't check by litmus paper. But the reaction when react with sodium, when they react with aluminum, they release hydrogen gas. That reaction say they are acidic. But phenols change litmus paper blue litmus into red litmus. We can change the acidic character by litmus paper of phenols and reaction with sodium hydroxide. Now we find Brostad-Lowry concept. Alcohol act as a Brostad acids. Friends, what is Brostad acids? In earlier 11th class, we already discussed three types of acid and base definition. First one is Arrhenius acid and base. Those substances, when we dissolve in water, produce hydronium ion known as acid and produce hydroxyl ion, they are base according to Arrhenius theory. And according to Brostad-Lowry concept, those substances, they are proton donor known as acids, and base are proton acceptor known as base. So if we explain any base and any acid, so what happen? Base we know either lone pair of electron or negatively charged. So this bond is dissociate. So base and hydrogen bond formation, and we get RO minus as a negative charge. In this, base has a negative charge. So if we compare, so this one is a pair and other one ROH, this also act as a pair. This known as conjugate acid base pair. This one is a base, so this is a acid, that one conjugate acid. This we already discussed in 11th class. A base and a conjugate acid, only difference of a single proton. That one, this act as a acid. So its RO is conjugate base. It means, what is the difference between acid and base? Only single proton. So alcohol act as a proton donor and this base act as a proton acceptor. So alcohol behave as acid, but weaker than water. If we compare here water, HOH, we know water as lone pair and we write alcohol here as acid. Then what happen? So because alcohol has lone pair of electron, in this who will donate? Water is proton donor and alcohol is a proton acceptor. We find like OH as a lone pair of electron minus. So this difference ROH, this one a pair, other also water and OH. This one is a conjugate acid base pair. So in this behave as a base and water behave as a acid. So further, this is the base. So this act as its conjugate acid. And if this is acid, that is conjugate base. So what we have to observe, that substance only difference of one proton, that known as conjugate acid base pair. So alcohol are weaker acid than water. This reaction show this activity. Now we explain acidity of phenols. We can write here like this, OH bond And we earlier explained when phenol react with metal, when phenol react with sodium or aluminium, then it's formed what? Phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide and hydrogen gas release out. When aluminium react, then also form aluminium phenoxide ion. So, but further, why phenols are stronger acid than alcohol? Phenol react with sodium hydroxide also, but alcohol do not react. This indicates phenols are stronger acid. We can write a reaction like this. These two reactions confirm phenols are stronger acid than alcohol. Now we want to explain what are the reasons. So students, phenols show resonance. In earlier class we discussed phenol show such type resonating structure. If we draw its resonance, then we can make positive charge and negative at ortho condition. Further, this negative can make lone pair. We can write such type resonance. We know phenol is ortho para directing. Its resonating structure clearly indicate at ortho and para negative charge. Ultimately, it shows phenol. Means phenol show 5 resonating structure. In this resonating structure, students, if we will observe, then these 3 structures, oxygen, benzene ring, partially double bond character, and negative charge at benzene ring at ortho and para position. So which resonance is more stable? We know that species, every carbon, all are completely octet, that is most stable. So first and last one is more stable, but if any there is charge dispersal, then more the dispersal of charge, that is more stable in resonance. So in this structure, but if you observe positive charge on oxygen atom and negative charge on carbon atom, when the negative charge should be on high electronegativity element. But in this resonating structure, negative charge on carbon and positive charge at oxygen. So slightly they are less contributing resonating structure. But there is movement of this ion. So this ion easily released than this hydrogen, because hydrogen is released out. So movement of this hydrogen, we want to dissociate this bond. When this oxygen positive, then easily release out. When phenol dissociate this oxygen hydrogen bond, then we get phenoxide ion plus hydronium ion, hydrogen ion as aqueous. So this reaction favors towards product side. Why? When we draw the structure of phenoxide ion, that resonance is more stable than phenol resonating structure. So now we can draw like this phenoxide ion resonance structure. In phenoxide, oxygen has negative charge, so this negative charge can move into benzene ring. So it show like resonance. Further, when we write structure, in this way we can draw. Friends, if we observe the difference between phenol and phenoxide resonating structure, these resonance structures are phenoxide resonance structure. In this we observe there is no positive charge on oxygen atom, only negative charge at high electronegative, negative charge on carbon atom, and but no positive charge on oxygen. So these slightly more contributing structure, although negative charge should be on high electronegative, but in these resonating structure negative charge appears on carbon, but movement of the ions, delocalization of charge. So due to this comparison, then phenoxide ion resonance structure is more stable than phenol structure. So this reaction favors towards product side, means phenol oxygen hydrogen bond easily dissociate. So phenol is stronger acid than alcohols. If we compare in alcohol, we can write alcohol like this, ROH. If this is bond dissociate, ROH, then we get RO minus and H plus. But when phenol dissociate, then it show phenoxide and hydronium ion. So in this reaction, if we compare, then phenoxide is further stable due to resonance, but this alkoxide ion is no stability. So why? Because negative charge on oxygen and alkyl group is releasing group. Electron releasing means plus I effect. So electron repulsion. So this reaction not shift towards product side. This reaction shift towards reactant side. But in phenol, this towards product means more release of hydrogen ion. Due to this reason, phenols are stronger acid than alcohols. Now we will discuss the different factors if any electron withdrawing group or donating group present on this phenol ring, then what effect of their acidity. In phenol ring, if present any nitro group like at ortho condition, then what effect of acidity? So that is a rule. If more electron withdrawing group EWG, if any benzene ring attached electron withdrawing group, so that what happen? Acidity increase. Why? The electron withdrawing group remove electron out from benzene ring. So what happen? Inside electron move towards nitrogen. So this lone pair easily come into ring, and oxygen hydrogen bond, this bond easily dissociate, means oxygen hydrogen bond easily dissociate. The reason is due to this electron withdrawing group. More the withdrawing group, more the acidity. This one is a rule. If we write 2,4-dinitrophenol, in this 2 and 4-dinitrophenol, two withdrawing group, so this one is more acidic than 2-nitrophenol or ortho-nitrophenol. If 3 electron withdrawing group, then further acidity increase. What happen in this 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, 3-side electron withdrawing group. So this benzene ring is electron deficient. So the lone pair easily comes into the ring. and this oxygen hydrogen bond easily dissociate. So this is more acidic, and this compound common name is picric acid. Picric acid, it's behave as a acid, although it is a alcohol 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is picric acid, and it is very strong acid due to 3 electron withdrawing group, and there are 2 and 1. If any donating group, means if EDZ, electron donating group attached, like crisols. In crisols what happen? Methyl group attached. We know this one is crisol, means one methyl group attached, either ortho, meta and para. For example, ortho condition. So this releasing group, electron release plus I, so electron density increase, earlier already electron, so that electron face slightly repulsion, so the incoming electron face repulsion, so no need, less this oxygen hydrogen bond is polarized, so slightly weaker acid than this one, phenol. Comparison than phenol, electron donating group are, if present in phenol, that are weaker acid, means crisols are weaker acid than phenol. If this present at meta condition, means meta crisols, then this effect is slightly lesser than ortho and para, because in meta position they are slightly less effect, because in any resonance structure, if you observe, neither negative nor positive charge occurs on meta position. This occurs either only ortho and para. They effect, if they are situated ortho and para, they are weaker acid, comparison than meta position. Now we explain a numerical given in your NCERT book. Arrange the following compound increasing order of their acid strength. Before to explain acid strength, students, in your NCERT book a tabular form given. In that tabular form, pKa value is given. pKa value given. pKa. What is pKa? pKa means negative logarithm of Ka. pKa means negative logarithm of Ka. What is Ka? Ka is dissociation constant of acid. More the dissociation constant, more the acidic. But when negative, low Ka, its value should be lower. If lower value, that is more acidic. If pKa value higher, that are weaker acid. So by this value we can identify, that is a given orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol pKa value given in your tabular form 7.2. Orthonitrophenol pKa value 7.2, and metanitrophenol given 8.3. If this ortho and metanitrophenol, if we write here metanitrophenol, its pKa value given 8.3. It means 8.3 and 7.2. 7.2 is lower value, it means it is more acidic. Lower the value, more acidic, stronger acid. Meta 8.3, why it is less affected? Because meta position, less effect of electron withdrawing group. In their resonance structure, no negative or positive charge at meta position. And similar para nitrophenol. If we write para nitrophenol, then its pKa value given for para nitrophenol pKa value given 7.1. It means this is higher. Para nitrophenol, why effect? there is no steric hindrance, so it is comparatively stronger acid, easily dissociate hydrogen. Para, then ortho, and then meta. So this type value given in your NCERT book. And phenol value is 10. If a general phenol, only phenol, so its pK value is 10. Ethanol value given in your book 15.9. Crisols also given different value 10.2. Orthocrisol, this orthocrisol value given 10.2. This indicates 10.2 and 10. So crisols are weaker acid than phenol. Students, only a rule: lower the pK value, stronger acid. Why lower? We know acid depend on their negative logarithm of hydronium ion. So when dissociation constant more acid, when the bond is dissociated, that is more acidic. But when we take negative logarithm, this value should be lower. So now we solve a numerical. Question given: arrange the following compound increasing order of their acid strength. First one given, propane 1-ol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Then given 3-nitrophenol. After that 3,5-dinitrophenol. Then written phenol, and for last 4-methylphenol. And these are given in question. Arrange increasing order of their acidic strength. So first we have to write all the substance. We know propane 1-ol is a alcohol. So alcohol are weaker acid, others are phenol. So definite propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol is weakest acid. So first we write propane 1-ol. Then increasing order, we can find highest withdrawing group, that is most acidic. 2,4,6-trinitrophenol is most acidic. Then we find 2 withdrawing group, then 1 withdrawing group. So in this 3 withdrawing group, so this one most, comparison then phenol, then 3, after 2, 5, phenol and 4-methyl. Then in this 4-methylphenol, what happened? A donating group. So donating group decrease the acidity. 4-methylphenol means paracrisol. So it is lesser acid. Why? Due to releasing plus I effect. After that, phenol, no releasing group. There is plus I, so repulsion EDG, electron donating group. Methyl group is a donating group. After that, we write 3-nitrophenol. Then we'll write 3,5. Although meta position less effect, but comparison than others, 3-nitrophenol, 3,5, 3 and 5 nitrophenol. And last, most acidic, that is 2,4,6, means para position. If a region is required, then it is 3 withdrawing group. There are 2 withdrawing, 1 withdrawing, no donating or withdrawing, so phenol. Then donating group are weaker acid, and phenol is, alcohol is weakest acid. So in this way we have to arrange increasing order or decreasing. This one is increasing order, and alcohol is weakest. In this, students, today will discuss especially acidity of alcohol and phenols. So tomorrow we will discuss esterification reaction, and those reaction involve carbon oxygen bond cleavage. If you have any problem, then write in comment box, like and subscribe, share the needy student. Thank you. Have a nice day.